Mr. Patrick.
Hindi nga, text muna.
Sa cellphone pa eh.
Wala kasi nagte-text sa'yo.
Ano ba yan?
Text muna sa baby ko.
Okay lang yan.
May baby siya!
Hindi. Selos lang yan. Tangina, shot naman, boy.
Teka lang naman, utang ina.
Tangina naman, no, lahat na lang. Kanina, ikaw nahatay namin. Ngayon, ikaw pa rin nahatay.
Pag may baby, teka lang muna siya! Bago. Pag may baby,
Mahal na mahal ko yun. Okay, shot.
Okay, shot na muna.
Wala kang tubig.
May memory pa ba tong laptop mo? Mukhang nga.
250 gig yan.
tubig guys, sirang putang ina niya.
Tangina, shit.
Lagyan mo sauce, oh.
Layok eh.
Oh, Coke. Oh, Coke. Oh. Oy, ay!
Gago. Wala na ang puta.
Bili ka.
Oh my God. Mga kaibigan,
Ito, meron.
wala na po kami chaser.
Tangin ng taas.
Oh.
Oh.
Wala namang namimilit sa yung shotin mo lahat eh.
Pero Patrick,
Pero si Mark na susunod eh.
huwag kang alsa.
Oh, Mark, ba't mo? Oh, yan! Kasi.
Okay.
Next song is Passenger Freak.
Passenger Freak.
Shot mo na. Shot mo na. Ay, puta, mahina. Ayoko na. Ay, hinahan ako sa inuman nito eh. Nakal eh.
Mata na lang. Look at her and have a smile. Cause we go driving for a while. Wind blowing in the open window of my car. And as we go, traffic lights. Watch her glimmer in her eyes in the darkness of the evening. And I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. And I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. We start to get something to drink, and I learned it beats so hard that I had to say I love her. And then the moon beats from the clouds, and my heart beats so loud, scared to death to say I love her.
Inuulit ako.
And I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. When I can't keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. I know this love grows.
Laki. Ano shot? Shot, wala naman. Dami alam.
Shot.
Why? Woo!
Oh,
Fuck. Stop na yan.
Ay, nag-chaser pa kasi. Cute ko talaga. O, yung pa ako naman. O, tabi dyan. Papatayin ko na.
Gusto mo matikman si Casadores?
Bam!